already had the deadline of finishing this whole interior for our show on
Valentine's Day,
Valentine's Day, yeah.
Actually, two interiors.
Well, I know, hold on. Bro, this is my show or your show? Jeez, man, trying to steal the spotlight. Anyway, he got halfway through it, and then Karen, our boy, showed up with his F12 and said, hey, can you turn everything red in my car while I'm out of town for 3 weeks? And crazy enough, Mr. Javier agreed to do it. So he's been working around the clock. So this is the F12 that we unwrapped and we're changing the color. This is gonna be pretty damn sweet.
And what is that event, February 14th?
Yeah, so it's called Concours in Hills. It's a charity for Phoenix Children's Hospital. Yeah, our friend started it and got it so big and basically handed off to the foundation. So now we've been going there for years, man. It's amazing. It's amazing. And this being on Valentine's Day, it's probably even, makes it more special. People come out with their families. It's actually really, really nice. Kids friendly. Oh, what do we got, bro?
That's what I'm trying to find out what this one is.
This is from Zakoy. So this is for SF90 and
F8 maybe?
No, 488 actually.
488.
No, F8. So next Carlex G-Wagon is painted, man. It looks really good. It looks excellent, huh? Not bad.
Oh yeah, amazing.
Right?
Yeah, this pink color is really unique. I love it.
Yeah.
It was really hard to match, but we did it.
Well,
so
that, and plus this is the biggest first job that our new painter has done. And he had to literally do it on his own. We lost our prepper because he had too much going on in his personal life, and he's running his business, so you concentrate on that. So right now he's been working on his own. We're looking for a experienced prepper if anybody wants to join the team. But he looks amazing, man. It's great.
we got 3 other Carlex builds on the way. I already kind of talked to him about, we were doing a 1 of 7, you call it Sabia, correct?
Yep,
We're doing a Lago and then as well as a Sterling. Those builds are coming up here very shortly. You can see all the G-Wagons torn apart in different steps. Those ones are going to turn out absolutely amazing. This one and the S-Class next to each other, both with the forged carbon, look sick. Both black, wide body. I mean, it's not really like necessarily a crazy wide body. It's just simple add-ons,
It's actually pretty
wide, yeah.
Man. Yeah, believe it or not, the car looks like beefy for a Tesla. It's lowered. I mean, I like it.
White interior, nice little contrast. It's not black.
I know everybody talks shit about electric cars, and honestly, I do too. But if it looks like this and it's here, why not? Enjoy it for a couple of days. I like it. I drove it home the other day, and man, it's like a little go-kart. Carlos been killing it, for us now.
Thank you.
We've been in search of figuring out what we're gonna do with our detail. We had somebody in house and we don't, and it's not like what we do, right? So we build a room for it, but most important things first, right?
Yeah.
So definitely. Detail has been at the end of the line, but now you're here. You're here, and so tell us what you did.
On this one, we're doing a full interior detail, and we're doing a 1-step correction. So somebody put a polish to it, but left a lot of buffer trail. So we're removing all the buffer trail and getting it all nice and pristine.
I tell you what it was. It was when we painted it, we didn't have enough time to properly do the 3 steps. So we did the 2.
Okay.
And we know you were coming. We're like, okay, we'll just have him deal with it. To be honest with you. So that's what happened, because there was a lot of swirl marks from obviously buffing.
Yeah, it was like a buffer trail, but we're removing it slowly, and there are some light scratches. Also, we're doing the ultimate cut on it also. We use all Sonex products. We're gonna get it all nice and pretty for everybody.
Everybody's gonna be me. Well, it's actually maybe go to Destiny, so she loves it. We're like, okay, if she's our leader of the team, so we're like, Destiny can get it. These 2, man, they're like disaster together. What's going on? Basically, everybody knows Zakoy is honestly one of the better fit and finishes of kit company. Their stuff is really, really nice. It is not enough for this man, so he has to feather every inch of the kit. He comes and tells me, "Oh, you see? What the fuck am I looking at? What am I seeing?" Like, no, it's right. It's all over the place, man.
Wavy parts.
I'm like, wavy parts. I'm like, bro, unless I'm getting blind, but I don't see nothing. But no, just remember. Quality, creative, bespoke, just remember. I'm like, dude, do whatever you gotta do. You're the boss. I'm just telling you, I don't see any waves. But so these 2 together, I made the mistake, told him, learn from him. So he created the monster. This guy's even worse than him. He really is. He's more picky than you sometimes.
Yeah.
You trained him well. I'm not gonna lie. You did train him well.
That's the goal.
He's a mini you now.
Make
the best
I
part.
don't know how it could be more mini than you, but it's a mini. Bro, I'm nobody to talk, so don't worry. I'm right there with you. We and you definitely get the same raft, life raft.
Yeah.
You know, same size.
Same size as you. Hey, we got this in.
All right, very good.
We got the dog gammon.
Okay.
Bonus up to.
Oh, this is actually get painted?
Yeah.
Bro, fuck, I thought you were just sleeping.
Shit. When you're sleeping, I'm working.
It's true.
That's-
That you're probably right.
Yeah.
No,
you-
bro. I do go to bed like grandpas do. You know, I like 8:30. I tell my daughters, listen, you guys are not in bed by 8:30. I'm not reading a book. Most of the time they're in bed. So 9 o'clock is for me.
No, we got jamming this thing and
Nice.
start to switch
All right,
parts,
good.
put it on because this is gonna be a guy for the fender and finish the quarter.
So this going to a homie of ours. He loves Trump. So the 24 was for my daughter's birthday. It's a 24. That's when we put it. So I'm like, hey, you want me to change it 24? It's Trump 2024. And he's like, no, man, leave it. So he's kept the number 24. So now we're gonna have
Smart
to take
guy.
it off because you get a new door. I gotta discuss with him. So if I have to recreate the 24, he's okay without it. We'll find that out. It looks good, man. This was one of our favorite builds,
Oh,
man.
yeah.
The car's so sick. I mean, I would rock that. I mean, look at this. Look at the design. Honestly, look at the interior. Everything on it was just perfect. So you know, I said this I think before, but the reason I spec this car like this because I had this set of wheels in stock. They were this color, so I'm like, shit. I don't want to change the color of the wheel, so I'll just build the car around it. So we came up with this car.
Change the whole car, but not the wheels.
Not the wheel.
I like that.
Yeah,
thing.
hey, but it turned out good, right? You work with what you got.
I think Sai is the only person I have ever met that builds a what $450,000 car around a set of
500,
maximum.
yeah.
Yeah.
$10,000 wheels.
That's crazy. Instead of just changing the design, he's like, nah, let's build it around the wheels.
Who does brown Alcantara interior, man?
I'm not saying it's a bad idea. I'm just saying you're the only
But
person I know that does.
But look how cool this interior looks, man. It's amazing. Javi, man, you're the man, buddy. You're expensive. You're expensive, but
Everybody's expensive.
yeah, no shit. Everybody's expensive. Fuck, you're right. At least they know they're expensive. You know, they know their worth, which they worth. Absolutely. Know your worth as long as you're worth, and you're not just faking it, right? So, thank God we have no fakers.
Bits and pieces of the A12 GTS interior are completed already here inside of Javi's room. You can see the design that we are going with, the cool diamond perforated style, the Ferrari tailor-made by Creative Bespoke, and obviously our logo in black here in the middle to add a little bit of contrast. This looks absolutely beautiful. Sections of the seat are already constructed but not reassembled back onto the seat. You can kind of get a little taste of what we are going to do with the Italian stripe that runs down the middle with the perforations that are mirrored from the middle. Red stitching, this is going to turn out absolutely beautiful. Javi is currently working incredibly hard to get this thing done. We have to make sure that the interior and exterior are finished and all reassembled so that come February, we can show this car off to you guys.
Let's go.
The bodywork phase on the A12 GTS is officially completed. We brought the car from outside back inside because all of the dirty work is now completed. We are now cutting the rear fenders. The front fenders are already cut to fit the wide body. As you can see, the cuts are perfect, matching the body. Marlon over here is going to take this bad boy right here to the rear side of this car. Actually, if you think about it, Marlon, you've cut so much money. Wide body Revolto, you've done a coupe or a super fast. You've done
Rolls Royce,
Rolls Royce,
another one, and McLaren 720.
multiple. So,
I'm so excited to keep adding more money in my pocket.
so with that list, do the math in your head, but you can imagine how much money Marlon has actually cut here at Creative Bespoke in only under 2 years. So we just keep racking it up.
It's a lot of money. How we modify cars, we cut in parts, put crazy parts on it. Like, that's so exciting.
Oh yeah.
You guys need to follow us and keep tuned on the videos because there's more crazy things coming. I know that for sure.
While Marlon is setting up his area to actually cut the rear fenders on this car, let's go into the interior room and talk with Javi because he has made some progress that I want to show you guys. The interior is coming along very, very nicely, but one big major piece that Javi almost has completely completed here is the dashboard. Now, a lot of people don't like the white dashboards because of the glare that they put on the windshield on the car. We are not going to be doing a complete white dashboard on this Ferrari 812 GTS. As you can see, it is white here near the front, but it is black near the back. If you have a complete white dashboard, then the glare runs the entire way through the windshield, but leaving this front section here black will help a lot with the visibility. It won't be that bad looking out of this thing. And take a very close look to all this hand stitching, all the little details that Javi had to do to make this thing work. The Italian stripe running down the center looks absolutely crazy. Paired with the white leather, the red stitching, this is turning out so sick. I'm so excited to see this thing finished. He has his welding blanket set up properly so that we don't damage anything on the car here. Look at this thing. This looks mean. About to take that to this. Who wants it? Piece of this 812 GTS rear bumper. I got it right here. I'll ship it to the highest bidder. That was so satisfying.
It is.
Pulling that like protector on a brand new screen or something. All right, arguably a little bit cooler. The aluminum part of the rear of the 812 Superfast. We got this one, and we also got the plastic piece on the bumper. Whoever's the highest bidder is gonna get them.